Good evening, everyone. So I'm going to inform you about how to use the Zero Mistake Physics book, and I will give some information about this as you see. So this is the updated version of the last year, is the Zero Mistake book, and in this book there are 1,339 test questions from all the chapters, from 1 to 9, and also 687 ministry questions, which means that all the ministry questions which is asked until now is mixed. I mixed them all, and I prepared 14 ministry assessment of 50 questions. So now let's start with the first page. As you see, test 1, chapter 1, test 1. So there are going to be minimum 3 tests, some chapters 4 tests. First and second tests are generally ministry level, but third and fourth is going to be slightly above, some are above the ministry level. That's why I want everyone to finish test 1 and test 2 in the Zero Mistake studies. But if you finish 3 and 4, it would be much better for if you want to get 100 from physics. So, but one more thing now we are going to see. So now let me continue with the test pages. At the end of each test, you are going to see the answer key. Right here, the answer key, as you see. When you finish the test, you are going to get the answers. You will see the answers, and also know that all questions from all sections are mixed. There is no order in the tests. Maybe section 1 questions, section 3 questions, the first one, maybe section 1 question is the last one. So there is no order. So it's a mixed. These tests are mixed for all the chapters, about the chapters. Then let me continue the others. Test 1, chapter 1, test 2, as you see. And again, its answer key is just right after that. Chapter 1, test 3, answer key is right after it's right here. Then comes chapter 2, chapter 2, 1, chapter 2, 2, the same way. But what is different is after second chapter, you are going to see assessment. This is ministry assessment. You are going to see an assessment of 50 questions about chapter 1 and chapter 2. I mixed, as I said, all the ministry exam questions, and then I made 50 question assessments. So these assessments are all our ministry questions, which are mixed, and again provided to you as test of 50 questions. Now, as you see, assessment 1 and 50 questions. These questions are right just about chapter 1 and 2. At the end of the test, you will see its answer key again. And after the 3, you'll finish the same way. At the end of the 3, you will see again one more assessment. After each chapter from then on, you will see an assessment test, which assessment test is going to be about first 3 chapters. I mixed questions, ministry questions, ask the ministry, about chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and then make a 50 question assessment. After each chapter, you are going to see them. So for chapter 4, finish chapter 4. After that, again, assessment. Then you will continue like this. And after each chapter, you are going to get an assessment test, which is including all the previous chapters. Chapter 5, again, after chapter 5, again, ministry assessment about chapter 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then all the mixed questions. And finally, at the end, you are going to see the rest of the assessment, because all the questions in ministry is not available to put just after each test. That's why when you finish chapter 9, after chapter 9, you are going to see assessment 1, assessment 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and all. And these are all assessments are ministry questions. Has some student asked me, teacher, should we do ministry questions? This, again, no need. You hear all the ministry questions. You don't need to do ministry question in your test bank or in your malzeme. All they are in here waiting for you as a mixed assessment questions. I hope this zero mistake is going to be really the best one. I hope if you do all these questions, you are going to get a really good grade. Inshallah, tomorrow we will start at 8:30. We are waiting for you. Good luck and patience to you, and also strength, and also at the end, victory, inshallah.